Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Moon box for February. Sorry it's a little late. I've actually have 5 unboxings that I'm filming back to back today because grad school has been cray-cray. And finally, I finished a major assignment. I had a day off with my family yesterday, Valentine's Day, which was very nice. And today, I'm hitting it hard because I have another big assignment on Saturday. So let's get her done. I'm excited. A nice little oasis of witchcraft before I have to get back to science. As always, please like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, so I always save these twines. Here's our oracle card. It's like a little compass on the back. Mount Kailash. I am sacred. I am divine. I have humility. I can start anew. So that's interesting. I'll have to look and see what deck that's from. Let's see. The theme is Bound by Soil. Ooh, I love it. I always read this last though, so let's come back to that. The Sacred Soil. So this is usually with the spell candle. Ooh, what do we got here? Gnome. Aww. So cute. Oh, beautiful. Gaia. Wow, look at that. That is lovely. So beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's kind of leave that. I like to put all the little papers over here, so we'll have all that right there. Smells very good, by the way. What do we got? We got Earthly Bounty, absolutely beautiful looking tea. To the best of my experiences. Ritual. I'll have to look because I can't read. All right. We've got a lovely little bag for the tea. Ooh, the bags are different this month. They feel different. Juniper berries. Nice, nice. What do we got here? White oak bark. Love that. We have Ostara Sacred Salt. So here is the container. Oh my god, it smells wonderful. I can definitely smell strong hints of citrus in there. Ooh. Got a stone held together with a rubber band. Okay. Nice. I have a couple of these. I keep them in my plants. So this looks like what, rosemary? Yeah, and something else. It's very perfumey. I love it. We've got a candle here. Let's cut her open and take a look. There we go. Brown for earth and soil. Forest floors, yum yum yum. Love the smell of forest. Earth Mother. You see stuff floating in it. You smell it? It smells good. Oh, I got a deck. Oh my god, I got a deck. Oh, I think I've been wanting this deck. It looks like herbs. I absolutely love getting a deck. Even if I don't end up liking the deck, I still love getting decks. And I always do walkthroughs of every deck that I get, but this is really cool. So it's got an herb and a word, and I got a book. I love getting books. Okay, I'm already calling it. This is a very, very good box. Has all of my favorite things to see in boxes. So, the Head Witch's Field Guide. I'm excited about that. As you know, I am busily working on restoring my property after a pretty significant catastrophic fire. And so I have myself, I've actually got elderberries coming. I have been working really hard on identifying what's left, on ordering more. Just like a lot of work has gone into, this is definitely going to be a green witchcraft year for me, just because of I always like to keep what I have to do aligned with my spiritual work, because I think that that's a really good guide for what you should be focusing on, is what you need to do in your mundane life. So there's that. All right, I've got everything in the frame, I believe. Yes. So let me go ahead and read. If you listen closely, you may just hear the whispering and wandering of spirits that inhabit nature around you. In this exclusive collection, we pause and ponder, providing ourselves with the time necessary to connect with all of the natural elements that surround our practices. It is during this time that we are free to ask questions to guides, create relationships with elementals, and call upon the hidden wisdom that resonates within all living things. Through this beautiful season of growth and creation, we delve into the deepest and most authentic roots of our craft, found by soil and enhanced by magical intent. So I'm not going to read every last thing, but I am... Oh, Jojo, you can open the door, huh? So, give me 1 second. My puppy opened the door. She's not a puppy, she's old, but come on, scoot your doodle. Okay, so I was showing you the insert, because I'm not going to read it all. Exclusive hardcover Head Witch's Field Guide with oracle cards. Yes, amazing. I love it. We are truly honored to have the opportunity to create an exclusive and first hardcover copy of this field guide. As you open this book to the first page, you will see a special intention from the Witch's Moon. May nature's wisdom forever be heard whispering and guiding you on your path. The beautiful Head Witch's Field Guide was created by Ciolo Thompson, a self-taught visual artist who lives and works in Seattle, Washington. This is great for me because I also live in the Pacific Northwest, but I live in Southern Oregon. She uses multiple mediums and techniques in her work with a focus on draftsmanship and narrative development. Ciolo is also the creator of the best-selling Line Strider Tarot. As stated within the beginnings of this book, providing insight on how to use these cards, it is stated the botanical cards can be used as an oracle deck or as flashcards with this book as a study guide. When used as an oracle tool in your meditation or divination practice, the cards can stand alone or work in conjunction with other cartomancy tools. The book endeavors to help the curious learn about these essential plants and their historical application. This text discusses where to find the plants, what part of the plant is commonly used, and whether they are primarily edible or medicinal. Very, very, very cool. So in tune with what I'm doing in my life. I find that, so people ask me all the time which box is my favorite, and I tell them they're all my favorite in different ways because they all have a different vibe. But I find that Witch's Moon is usually very on point with what I need in my current life right now, and this is very on point for me. The Power of Gaia Book of Shadows artwork. So that was the big Gaia page. And then, of course, by A.E. Alden. Pardon me. The Gnome Book of Shadows artwork. Oh, my kid is screaming. By the same artist. Hand-rolled Sacred Soil Spell Candle. So this is the Spell Book of Shadows artwork that goes with it, and this is this candle here. We have hand-rolled and anointed this candle with the intention of honoring Gaia, or the Great Mother Earth, as she provides us with the overwhelming number of blessings. We in turn pay our respects and recognize these attributes through our practices. As we stand before the dancing flame, we focus our intentions on the knowledge gained by all natural elements and ask that we are aware enough to continually recognize them throughout our daily journeys. The Earth Mother Anointing Oil. So it's an intention of grounding during times of chaos, challenge, or confusion. You can work with a special blend. Visualize your energies drawing into the earth below you, grounded and unwavering. Feel a sense of calmness and safety as you are blanketed by the warm embrace of earthly energies. So it has green tea, jasmine, cedar, and vetiver oils with oak bark and jasmine buds in it. A Lumarian quartz as well. And it has a special mixture of our Beneath the Soil magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. We of course have juniper berries. So protection, love, health, exorcism. White oak bark, which is protection, healing, good luck, ritual enhancement. Earthly Bounty ritual herb tea bag with tea bag. So the ritual herb itself has chamomile, rose, orange, oat straw, lemon balm, and lavender. The geode carries the wonders of earthly obsession. The geode is one of the most recognizable stones and can commonly be found positioned around the home of any magical practitioner. It is expected to find crystals such as quartz, amethyst, and citrine hidden within the cavities of these wonderful stones. In addition to the geode's ability to heal and bring balance to the body, it provides almost instant stress release, allowing you to relax and readjust. A dried lavender bundle. Oh, I did not get lavender. It definitely looked like rosemary. This wonderfully fragrant dried lavender bundle was created so that its cleansing smoke could waft through a sacred space. Well, I love it. I love lavender. I guess I can see it now. It smells like heaven. I love it. Forest Floors Ritual Incense Sticks. And Ostara Celebratory Sacred Salt. And it has sweet orange, lemongrass, and vetiver, as well as rose, lemon balm, and lavender herbs. Special mixture of Ostara Celebration Magical Oil. The Personalized Card Reading from the Earth Power Oracle by Stacey DeMarco. I have a lot of Stacey DeMarco decks. I'm excited. I'll have to look that up. And then, of course, parchment paper. So here's the second page if you want to read it. Parchment paper. I love it. A++. This is why I love this box, and I always get it, and I always will as long as I have the means and ability to do so. Highly recommended to you. I'll leave the link in the description below. And thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I know, I hope some of you miss my lives and my extra content, and I hope to do that soon. It's just one of the things that I'm learning in my journey right now is that I need to protect and preserve my strength so that I can keep giving to my family, so that I can keep giving as a nurse in an ongoing, seemingly endless pandemic, and just to keep moving forward in my own life. And unfortunately, that means some of the extra things that I enjoy doing get kind of put to the back burner. But I will be back. I love you guys very much, and I will be back. But right now, I've just got to conserve and protect so that I can keep moving until things get a little easier on the several fronts that I'm required to actively and intelligently participate in. So, at any rate, I've got lots of unboxings coming up for you. I'm actually ordering a whole bunch because there's some really good looking ones that I've just buy once and every once in a while because they look nice. And so I will be doing that. And I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day.